Hello there everybody, today we're playing Bomb Monkey Tag on Roblox. This looks like a good game, so we're gonna try it out. By the way guys, this is a voiceover, because the original one, you couldn't hear anything. So, I'm just gonna act like this is normal. Anyways. So, who is it? It's Jet the Booch that has the bomb, and they... Yes! Okay, we can... New round. Begin! Okay, we're voting for, Towers V2. Don't worry guys, we're gonna be playing on all of these maps later. Oh yeah, there's gonna be lots of triggers. Like, I'm gonna be screaming later in this video. And I didn't notice that they were on my tail. I was the closest to them at one point. Has the bomb, and then they will explode. Please. Yeah, bro, I'm coming for you. Yes. Round survived. 5 bananas. The cockroach has it. Yep. And yo, purple is gonna be a major problem later in this video, guys. My money is the best. And no, they were on me. Yes, I survived the round. Or whatever one. I'm coming for you. Yo, this game might be fun. Let's just keep going. Just keep going. Bomb exploded. The cockroach has the banana again. Has the bomb again. And then Luna had the bomb. And Luna's AFK, so she's just gonna explode, I guess. This is why you don't go AFK in a game like this. You'll just be tagged anyways. Oh, wait, they're not AFK. Ha. Who has the bomb? Bacon hair. 139 had the bomb. Third person. I'm a flying squirrel, guys. Bacon hair. Yo, where even are these guys? Purple has got to be one of the best hackers. Yes, I have the bomb. Okay guys, so this part is gonna be trigger warning. I tagged purple. How? Genuinely, you freaking hate this game. How did I tag? Maybe I can tag someone. Maybe. Oh wait, no. This game, I hate this. I hate purple so much. I thought I would save. Guys, that part was not the voiceover. It literally wasn't. That was my life. A reaction, bro. Yeah. Yeah. This time I'm just doing parkour. What should I make for my first YouTube short? Purple has the bomb. And of course they keep tagging. They're just too good. Mr. Edward. Okay. I don't know what to do that's entertaining. Mace attack! Okay, wait, let's see how long it takes me to get to not touch green. at all. Yes, this is gonna take a bit. Up, the cockroach has the bomb, and I'm all the way up. Now I need to jump without touching green. Yes. Yes, I survived. I should be in an I Survived book of I Survived. The jump of doom. No way. The cockroach. Purple? I don't want you tagging nobody. Okay, purple is just way too good. But I hope they leave the game. Because they didn't get me. It's because I'm a ghost, guys. Yo. Yes! Oh my goodness. Purple is finally gone. After 1 million years. Game, purple was genuinely a menace. And now that purple is finally gone, let's see who'll win this. Phoenixy lost. And then Isaac won. Isaac Newton. I'm eating food, guys. Now we're voting for Dune. You know what? Everybody's vote City. I'll vote for City. Next match, I'll make sure it's Dune. Oh, we spawn on top of a building. And then we jump to another building where some monkeys aura farming. So we aura farm with that monkey. And then watch how everybody else gets tagged. And we just watch. Until I go through the zip line. And come all the way here. Wait, hold up. How am I gonna leave? Genuinely, I need help. Yo guys, we're gonna be a target soon. I'm aura farming here now. Yeah, bro. Like, I'm so smart. Like, I'm gonna wake up! Cool kid has the bomb. I was tagged. Yo! And then I tagged him back. And bro, my bad, I'm eating food. How am I genuinely doing this while eating food? Bro, purple has the bomb. And purple's coming up. And I just fell. exe.q. I mean Q. I have the bomb. Huh? Oh wait, I forgot this is a voiceover, so I didn't realize. Tag them. Tag that boy. I got so close. Cool kid. Oh wait, I actually won and tagged Cool kid. Yeah, here's where I lost. How? I don't know the hitboxes of this game, bro. Yeah, now I had the bomb. What? I swear I tagged that girl, bro. Like, I jumped right on her. But this is a voiceover. I promise you guys, next round, it will not be a voiceover. Look at how good I am at just jumping. Dum. Goodbye, Lodi. My idol, she got me suicidal. My heart, I don't know, my idol, they got me suicidal. My fate, can't probably feel the same. J, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, Dreshaun won. How Dreshaun, he didn't even get the bomb once. And he won. El Dreshaun. Yeah, guys, told you it would be Dunes. I'm drinking juice now. Okay, so this is Dunes. It's I should probably try to get to the top. Bacon Hair got the bomb. He almost just got me. But Maori Saiyan. My bad, bro. He's a Saiyan. Then why ain't he with Goku then? Okay. Is bro like Goku? Yeah, I survived. That's easy. Get better. Like, Bacon Hair keeps getting it, but like the guy who just got out, Bacon Hair, get better. Said get better. Easy. You got no. Maoya! What? How is this guy so fast? I can't get him. I'm so fried. Yo, Rizzy Rizzler. Yes, I might escape this. I probably will. What the? I'm gonna crash out. No, I don't care. I'm ending video right here, bro. So like, goodbye. Please subscribe so then I can hit 100 subscribers and beat Draco Crap. But like, I don't care. Like, I'm crashing out, bro. Like.